The bears go for the kill and the bulls finally punch back. Is this another dead cat bounce or do the bulls finally have horns? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the bulls came out swinging yesterday, but had no legs under them, and the bulls went in for the kill, taking them down below 3,900 all the way to 3,855 before the bulls finally punched back. In the last hour of the day, the bulls came in on strong volume and rallied 70-plus points that has now extended into the after hours. Now we have to ask if this is another dead cat bounce or if the bulls actually have potential. I'll get into all that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, it is the weekend, and it's been a long week for me. I am going to keep this video very short and to the point because I do want to spend time with my family. It's been a really good trading week in the room, so let's jump into the charts and take a look. Okay, guys, here we are on the 5-minute futures chart for the S&P 500, and as I said, I'm going to keep this pretty short and to the point. So yesterday we talked about the fact that we could see a wave 4 bounce up toward that 4,200 region or an impulsive rally to take us up off of a bottom. Now, it does look like we are starting to get a rally here. Now, whether it's wave A or an impulsive rally, we will have to see. So what we're looking at here is a really strong rally that took out yesterday's high. It's actually breaking out as we speak here, and what we want to see, because the bulls have fooled us here for the past few days with any breakouts, is we want to see them be able to hold any kind of pullback support and then take out whatever high they make on this wave. So it is a potential that you could count this as 1 and 2. However, I do think it counts best as a wave 1 all the way to the top. So what we're looking for as it stands right now, and this is pushing higher, so I could expect higher to come. But as it stands right now, we're looking for a pullback to support that holds a minimum of 38.82. And if we get that, and then they can come back and take out whatever high they make on this wave, that's a pretty strong indication that the bulls could be rallying. So what we're really looking for then is a pullback to hold support from wherever this tops. Okay, currently that support level is about 38.82, and then a move that takes out this wave 1 high. Okay, and if we want it to be bullish and impulsive, it's going to need to take it out, come back, hold the pivot, which it has not been able to do in any rally, and then move higher from there. If we get that, that is a pretty bullish sign and could be an impulsive move that tells us that the bottom could be in. Another strong side would be moving over the 4,000 region and through this strong selling area at 40.40 up to 40.65. So you can see they've sold this area really hard. So if they can push up over this selling wave in an impulsive fashion over 40.70, that's a really strong sign for the bulls. But this rally has been on very strong volume off the bottom, so we do have some potential here to have a impulsive rally come in. Now, with the depth of this pullback, okay, it does get into wave 1 of 3 territory, but not wave 1 territory. So it's a little bit different. We could have been counting this move up as wave 4 of 3. However, with the move down through 1 of 3, it becomes less likely, and it does become more likely that we are in overall wave 4, okay, which means this move up would be overall wave 5 and likely the last rally of this major bull market, if that is the case. And I do say if because the bulls have not been very strong here lately. So if they can follow through and give all those things I said, then we can start to talk about that rally. However, if they do fail at any point in this rally and start to come back down and can't hold support, then we would look for them to flush it down to 3,700 to 3,750 to complete wave 4 and start the rally up in wave 5 from there. So right now it's really going to depend on how any pullback looks and if it can hold support and take out the high and make a new move higher. And if we can get over this selling wall here, that would be a really strong start for the bulls. All right, guys, over on the NASDAQ, we have a very similar situation as they are breaking out here as we speak and just about to take out yesterday's high. If they can do that, that's a very strong sign. And then we would look for the pullback that holds support. And that support level currently is 11,794. If they can hold that and move higher back over the top, that would be a very strong sign for the bulls. And they want to take out the selling area here at the 12,500 up to the 12,540 range. If they can get above this selling wall right here, they have a lot of room to run, and the bulls can possibly start an impulsive rally at that point. I will give more in-depth updates in the morning as the market moves forward so we can see exactly what we're building, whether it's an impulsive structure or an ABC up in this wave 4 that would flush back down toward 11,500 to complete bigger wave 4 and try to start the rally in 5 after that. Guys, if you love the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. Okay, it will take you right over to the website. Once you get over there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 amazing plans, and they both come with a 7-day free trial because I want you to get in there. I want you to love it. Make sure it's for you and become part of our trading family before you ever spend a penny. Okay, in our first room, my Invest with Jacob room, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, as well as all of your Elliott Wave questions answered. We had a very strong trading week in there this week, and we expect more moving forward. Okay, we do trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade them, which means they last anywhere from a few days to a few months, and that's not quite as often as a day trading room works. However, if you are looking for day trading, as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that absolutely crushes the market. It's so powerful. You really need to see how it works to understand it, and that's why we give you that 7-day free trial so you can get in there and check it out. He also started a challenge account where he put $4,000 into a small account, and he averages 3 to 4% gains each week trading mini ES futures, showing you how to build a small account into a bigger retirement or savings account. It's an excellent way to build up a small account and learn how to trade on your own. Guys, we would love to have you in these rooms so we can make some money together. All right, key takeaways for today, guys. Pretty simple. Wherever this tops, we're looking for a pullback to hold support and then come back out and take over this high. And then we would be looking for a break over the 4,000 level and ultimately a break of this 40.40 up to 40.70 area. Those would all be very strong signs for the bulls in an impulsive fashion. If they can do those things, we could very well be on our way towards that 5,500 area. However, if they fail at any point in this rally, we would expect a flush back down towards that 3,700 to 3,750 area to start the bigger wave 5 rally from there. Over on the NASDAQ, pretty similar situation. We're looking for a top and then a pullback that holds support. Once we get that and a move back over the high, we're looking to take out this selling area here at 12,500 to 12,540. They push above that. It's a very strong indication for the bulls, as long as we stay in an impulsive structure, that we could be starting the rally higher. Guys, it's the weekend. I do apologize for the short and to-the-point video today. As I said, it's been a long week, and I want to spend some time with my family, so you do the same. Get away from your computer for a few days. Have yourself a drink, and I will talk to you next week.